I just found the smartest faceless channel on all of YouTube, and the numbers behind it are absolutely terrifying. This channel is called Forgotten Roots. They have uploaded only 13 videos in total. They are brand new. Yet, according to the analytics, in just the last 7 days alone, they pulled in over 750,000 views. If you look at their most popular video, the 2,400-year-old infinite food system, it is sitting at nearly 2 million views. Because this is a high RPM survival niche, that single video alone has likely generated over $15,000 in passive income. At first, you might think they are uploading gardening videos, but no. They have cracked the code on a brand new, insanely high-paying niche that I am calling conspiracy botany. Instead of making a boring video about how to grow a garden, they make 17-minute high-quality Netflix-style documentaries about ancient forbidden farming systems that the government and big ag are trying to hide from you. They combine the massive homesteading audience with the massive conspiracy theory audience. It is pure psychological genius. And look at the average duration. Their videos average 17 minutes long. That means they are packing them with 3 or 4 mid-roll ads. With 700,000 views a week, this brand new channel is on track to make $15,000 a month. Today, I am going to expose their exact formula, and I'm going to show you how to replicate and automate half of the entire documentary process using a custom workflow and a master prompt that I am giving you for free in the description below. Here is exactly how we are going to build a million-view documentary today. First, we need the brains of the operation. Click the link in my description to open the Google Doc, copy the long-ass master prompt I built for you, and paste it directly into Gemini 3 Pro inside of Google AI Studio. I engineered this prompt to act as an elite documentary director. The moment you paste it, Gemini is going to generate 10 highly viral forbidden knowledge concepts, complete with viral titles and the exact enemy or conspiracy angle you need to target. And if you don't like the idea, simply ask for more. Once you pick a concept, you just tell Gemini to proceed, and it will instantly write a 1,500-word, highly engaging script. But here is the secret sauce. The prompt forces Gemini to embed specific image and video tags into the script, so we know exactly what goes where. We are using a 60-40 split. 60% of the documentary will be high-quality static images for historical context, and 40% will be AI video clips for cinematic motion. Once the script is done, Gemini will output all of your image prompts in 2 parts, each in one giant block of text. And after you have gotten all the image prompts, you will get all of your video prompts in another giant block of text. Now, we move to production, and we are going to do this in bulk. Copy that giant block of image prompts from Gemini. We are heading over to Google Whisk. But we aren't going to type these in one by one. I am using a Chrome extension called Auto Whisk. You simply paste the entire list of prompts into the extension, hit start, and let it bulk generate every single historical and cinematic image you need for the entire documentary while you sit back and watch. And the best part, all of the extensions that will be mentioned in this video automatically downloads all you generated media. For the video clips, we are doing the exact same thing, but using Meta AI. Copy the block of video motion prompts from Gemini. Open up Grok AI and using the AutoGrok Chrome extension. Paste the entire list. AutoGrok will bulk generate all of the rippling water, the moving animals, and the cinematic atmosphere shots automatically. Now you have a folder full of premium images and video clips. It's time to put it together. And for the voiceover, you can Gemini TTS as it is completely free, then select a deep authoritative voice. Open CapCut. Drop your voiceover onto the timeline and start dragging and dropping your Google Whisk images and your Meta AI videos exactly where Gemini told you to put them in the script. To make this look like a true high-budget documentary, do not leave a single image flat on the screen. Click on every static image and add a slow 10% zoom in. This is called the Ken Burns effect. And when you combine that slow zoom with the movement of your AI video clips, the viewer will be completely hypnotized. Add some deep ambient documentary music. You can also add Old Gilm overlay or any overlay you like, and then your video is done. Here is the final result.
Deep in the heart of the Amazon basin, a world-altering secret lies buried beneath the dense, suffocating canopy. In the year 1542, when Spanish conquistadors ruthlessly hacked their way through this jungle, they were searching for El Dorado, a mythical city of gold. They were blinded by greed, entirely unaware that the true treasure of the Amazon was literally beneath their boots. They didn't find gold, but what they walked over was infinitely more valuable to the survival of the human race. We're told by modern agricultural scientists that tropical rainforest soil is among the worst on the planet. It is naturally yellow, highly acidic, and completely stripped of nutrients by relentless pounding rainfall. Yet, hidden in isolated pockets across millions of acres archaeologists have discovered something impossible. They found massive tracts of deep, incredibly rich, pitch-black earth. This soil is so fertile that it yields 10 times the food of regular dirt, and miraculously, it regenerates itself year after year without a single drop of chemical fertilizer. The locals call it terra preta, or Amazonian dark earth. It is an ancient, highly engineered supersoil that defies everything modern agriculture claims to be true.
But a great video is nothing without the click. To replicate the insane click-through rate of this niche, we need a specific type of thumbnail. And this is exactly what the last step is. In my master prompt, you can get a highly detailed thumbnail prompt from the same chat in Gemini. For this, I am using Nano Banana Pro inside of Google Flow. The psychology of this niche's thumbnails relies on two things: a highly saturated, glowing hero object in the center, and creepy, desperate hands reaching for it from the dark edges of the screen, symbolizing the forbidden nature of the topic. Tell Nano Banana Pro to generate a hyper-realistic, dark vignette image of your forbidden crop or system glowing in the center, with shadowy hands grasping at it. You now have a fully packaged, 17-minute, high RPM documentary in a niche that is practically untouched. The master prompt is waiting for you in the Google Doc linked in the description. Go grab it, start generating, and let me know in the comments which forbidden topic you are building your channel around. Subscribe for more automation secrets, and I'll see you in the next one.